Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about knives. Now, prepping channel talking about knives. I bet that 90% of you went straight to survival knives and stuff like that, and talk about the whatever type of knives you got in your pocket and the everyday carry knives. Not what I'm going to talk about today. And a lot of you going, who? All right, where am I? I'm in the kitchen. Do you know what I'm talking about now? I'm talking about kitchen knives. Knives you need to prepare your meals. All right, I mean, they come in all sorts of shapes and sizes. You got serrated bread knives. You got other cutting knives. You got longer cutting knives. You got boning knives. We got paring knives. Oh, we got other style of paring knives. We got some nice cutting ones, chopping knives and stuff. And one of my mom's favorites was a handcrafted one. Well used. And of course there is the dinner table knife. The butter knife too. I've got to find where it is, but butter knife too. So there's a lot of different types of knives that you need to be aware of that you use in the kitchen. And if guys or gals, if you're not the one doing the cooking and you don't know what all the knives are, now's the time to learn. Ask. A good knife is a sharp knife. A dangerous knife is a dull knife. Because you can get cut easier with a dull knife than you will a sharp knife. A lot of you are going, that don't make sense. Well, let me put it this way. If you're trying to cut something and you're having to force it through and all of a sudden it slips because you're forcing it, whereas if you have a nice sharp one, you're just going, just making your cuts nice and easy as you go along cutting the stuff. Yeah, you can see what I mean. If it's a dull knife, you have a better chance of hurting yourself because you're struggling to make the knife work. A sharp knife works properly and is safer. So, time to think about your knives in the kitchen, not the knives you use out surviving in the wilderness. All right? Because which knife are you going to use the most? All righty, everyone. Stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish like using a dull knife. Keep adding to your preps, water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill every day and grow more food. Plant a garden indoors, outdoors, both, whatever. Just grow more food.